The Medea 8000 BTU Easy Cool Window Air Conditioner is a reliable and efficient cooling solution for spaces up to 350 square feet. With dimensions of 23 into 36 into 14 inches and an item weight of 52.3 pounds, this product is designed to fit most standard windows easily. Manufactured by Medea, a trusted brand in the industry, this air conditioner ensures quality and performance. The item model number MA08R1BWT comes with a 1-year limited warranty from the original purchase date, giving users peace of mind about their investment. Featuring a noise level of 55 dB, this air conditioner operates quietly, providing a comfortable environment without disturbances. The included window bracket makes installation straightforward, while the requirement of 110 volts ensures energy-efficient operation. With over 18,536 ratings and an average of 4.3 out of 5 stars, this product has gained popularity among customers. It is ranked #2, 805 in home and kitchen, and #5 in window air conditioners.
The Haier 6200 BTU Ultra Quiet Window Air Conditioner is a reliable cooling solution for small rooms and bedrooms. With dimensions of 23.25 into 21.25 into 15 inches and weighing 56 pounds, this unit by Haier is designed to efficiently cool spaces up to 250 square feet. Manufactured by Haier and originating from China, this air conditioner boasts an ASIN of B083V76 MM7 and item model number ESAC 406TZ. It has received positive feedback from customers with a rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars based on 2,093 reviews, positioning it as a top choice in home and kitchen category, ranked at #24, 998 overall and #15 in window air conditioners. The white finish of the unit blends well with most interiors, adding a sleek touch to the room. This product comes with a 1-year warranty offering replacement, repair, or refund options, with a 90-day vendor return policy. It requires batteries for operation and includes a window installation kit along with a remote control for convenient use.
The Black Plus Decor air conditioner delivers efficient cooling power with a seasonal energy efficiency ratio, SEER, of 6.2, making it a reliable choice for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. With a cooling power of 14000 BTU, this air conditioner is suitable for medium to large rooms, providing quick and effective cooling. The remote control feature allows users to conveniently adjust settings from across the room, enhancing user experience and convenience. Measuring at 17.1 inches in diameter, 28.1 inches in width, and 13.8 inches in height, this air conditioner is designed to fit seamlessly into various living spaces without occupying too much room. The white color gives it a sleek and modern look that can complement different interior styles. Operating at a voltage of 115 volts, the Black Plus Decor air conditioner ensures energy-efficient performance while maintaining a noise level of 54 dB, creating a quiet and comfortable environment for users. The use of refrigerant.
The AIRO Comfort Portable Air Conditioner 12000 BTU is a reliable cooling solution suitable for both residential and commercial use. With its powerful 12,000 BTU capacity, this air conditioner is designed to cool rooms up to 550 square feet efficiently. Crafted by AIRO Comfort, a trusted manufacturer known for quality products, this portable air conditioner ensures a comfortable indoor environment during hot days. The unit is made of durable acrylonitrile butadiene styrene material, guaranteeing longevity and sturdiness. Featuring a user-friendly design, the AIRO Comfort Portable Air Conditioner comes with a remote control for convenient operation. The LED display allows for easy monitoring and adjusting of settings. The installation process is simple, thanks to the window installation method provided. With a low sound level of 50 dB, this air conditioner operates quietly, providing undisturbed comfort. The white color and sleek design blend seamlessly with any decor. The AC12 MWS. The Honeywell HPA 200 HEPA air purifier for large rooms is a reliable and efficient solution for improving indoor air quality, suitable for spaces of up to 310 square feet.
with dimensions of 17.7D into 18.8W into 10H, and an item weight of 13.91 pounds, this air purifier is designed with the user in mind, delivering powerful performance in a sleek black design. Equipped with a HEPA filter that captures particles as small as 0.3 microns, this air purifier effectively removes airborne pollutants, allergens, and odors to create a healthier living environment. The 60 dB noise level ensures quiet operation, allowing you to enjoy cleaner air without disruptions. The button control interface of the Honeywell HPA 200 makes it easy to adjust settings and customize the air purification process to suit your needs. Additionally, the unit is easy to maintain with hand wash care instructions and requires no assembly, providing hassle-free operation, backed by a 5-year manufacturer limited warranty.
The Medea 8000 BTU U-shaped smart inverter air conditioner by Medea is a noteworthy addition to any home seeking efficient and smart cooling solutions. With a cooling power of 8,000 British thermal units, this product delivers optimal cooling performance for spaces of various sizes. Notable features of this air conditioner include a built-in dust filter, fast cooling capabilities, and a dehumidifier function. These features work together to ensure that the air in your room is not only cool, but also clean and comfortable throughout the day and night. In terms of dimensions, the Medea U-shaped air conditioner is designed compactly, measuring 19.17 inches in depth, 21.97 inches in width, and 13.46 inches in height. This size makes it suitable for installation in a wide range of living spaces without taking up excessive room. Being an Energy Star-rated product with a 5-star energy efficiency rating and a seasonal energy efficiency ratio, SEER, of 15, the Medea U-shaped air conditioner.
The Amazon Basics window. Mounted air conditioner is a reliable cooling solution, suitable for a wide range of environments. With its cooling power of 5,000 British thermal units, this unit efficiently cools and maintains a comfortable indoor temperature. The special feature of being energy efficient not only helps in reducing energy costs, but also minimizes environmental impact. Measuring at 13.19 inches in depth, 15.98 inches in width, and 12.05 inches in height, this air conditioner is designed to fit easily into most standard windows. The sleek white color adds a modern touch to any room, while the 115 volts voltage requirement makes it compatible with standard electrical outlets. Weighing 35.27 pounds, this corded electric air conditioner is equipped with a touch control method for convenient and easy operation. The touch control interface allows users to adjust settings with precision and simplicity, enhancing the overall user experience.
The GE Electronic Window Air Conditioner. 6,000 BTU is a reliable cooling solution for any space. With a cooling power of 6,000 British thermal units, this unit effectively cools areas while maintaining energy efficiency. The special feature of a remote control allows for easy operation and temperature adjustments from a distance. This air conditioner's product dimensions of 15D into 16.44W into 12.56 H make it suitable for window installations, optimizing space utilization. The seasonal energy efficiency ratio, SEER, of 2.6 ensures that it operates efficiently, providing a balance between performance and energy savings. Designed in a classic white color, this unit seamlessly blends into any room decor. Operating at 115 volts, it is suitable for standard electrical outlets. The noise level of 55 dB ensures a quiet environment perfect for both residential and office settings. Using refrigerant R410. This air conditioner is environmentally friendly. Its corded electric power source makes
This portable air conditioner by Serene Life, the SL Pack 8 SLPAC, offers a convenient and efficient cooling solution for spaces up to 1,800 cubic feet. With a cooling power of 8,000 BTUs and a seasonal energy efficiency ratio, SEER, of 9.8, it ensures effective temperature control while being energy efficient. The unit's portability allows for easy movement between rooms, making it a versatile option for homes, offices, or small businesses. The inclusion of a remote control adds to the convenience, allowing users to adjust settings from a distance.
One of the standout features of this air conditioner is its dehumidifier function, which helps maintain a comfortable humidity level in the room. This is particularly beneficial in areas with high moisture levels. Measuring at 13.8 inches in diameter, 14.6 inches in width, and 27.2 inches in height, this unit is compact and can fit in various spaces without being obtrusive. The sleek white color adds a modern touch to any room's decor.